Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a double diode bias clipper circuit problem. Okay, basically in this problem, there are two diodes and two bias are there, 8 volt and 4 volt. Okay, so we have to find out the function of the following circuit function, or basically the output we can say, but in this question we have to find out the what should be the function of the output voltage for a sinusoidal input. Okay, and the options are given. The circuitry transmit that part of sine wave which is above 8 volt and below 4 volt. Second option is which lies between output lies between plus volt and plus 8 volt, and the third option is transmit that part of sine wave which is above minus 4 volt and below 8 volt, and the final option is transmit that part of sine wave which is below plus 4 volt and above 8 volt. So basically in this question we have to find out the output. If we are able to find the output response, then we can answer such uh, question. Okay, so in this one is a diode clipper circuit. So in such problem we can divide the circuitry with two diode single diode problem by keeping one diode at a time, and we can find the output. Then in the second case we can find the output by keeping only one diode D1. So in such question we have to start with, say, in first case, by considering diode D1 only. Okay, then we are saying the output voltage is say V output 1. Okay, and in the next case we have to consider only diode D2 and we have to find the V output 2. Okay, and we have to take the intersection of output V output 1 and V output 2. Okay, in these two what should be the output common will be the final output. So this one is the thing. Okay, so first what we are doing, we are taking only D1 diode under consideration for solving such problem. Okay, so one can redraw the circuit for diode D1 only, and say this one is V0 and this D1 8 volt, and this R, and this sinusoidal signal say Vi. Okay, so the very first step that I have already discussed, first we have to find the transition voltage. Transition voltage. Okay, so in this case of transition voltage, the current in the resistor is 0 and this one become the short circuited. So the modified circuit for the calculation of transition voltage, I am drawing here the modified circuit for the calculation of transition voltage. We are taking the ideal diode, so this one say Vi R, diode short circuited, this was 8 volt plus or minus, and this current is 0. So if we apply KVL, okay, so we can write plus Vi minus 8 volt equals to 0. So Vi equals to 8 volt. Is it okay? So one can say, if this one is the sinusoidal signal Vi and T, so we have to plot the Vi equals to 8 volt. So we can say that this one is some line, that is our Vi equals to 8 volt, which is parallel to the time axis. Okay, so now we can say above this Vi equals to 8 volt is a transition level. So above this 8 volt, either diode on or off, so that we have to take. So if Vi value is more than 8 volt, diode will become on. So this D1 become on for above 8 volt. If say D1 will be on for 9 volt, 10 volt, okay, or 8.1 volt, 8.2 volt, and below this one that become off. Already I have discussed this type of question in my earlier video. So now next, so we know the, so single, just solve the problem as a single diode problem first. Okay, so when diode on, okay, that is our, we are considering D1. So the output voltage, this one, plus minus say V naught 1 for diode D1, okay, R, and this one is 8 volt, okay, plus minus Vi. So output voltage when diode D1, so just apply KVL in this loop. So we can write plus V naught 1 minus 8 volt equals to 0. So V naught 1 equals to 8 volt. So V naught 1 equals to 8 volt when diode is on. Okay, so during which time diode is on, so we can, so so during that time diode will become above this one diode on. So the output voltage is somehow, I am taking different color, this one be the 8 volt when D on, okay, and below this one, and below this line, below 8 volt line, diode will be off. Diode off D1. So diode off, what it means, this one is open circuited, okay. So a similar type of problem I have already solved, but this one is the combination of two diodes. So first we have to go for a single diode. If 2, 3 or 4 diodes are there, you just bifurcate in the single diode, and at the end we can intersect, or we have to take the intersection of the output. So during that time this V naught 1 is Vi when diode D1 off. So input voltage is same as that of output voltage. So output voltage will be, follows the sinusoidal signal, okay. So for the timing I am just making, okay. So the output is somehow, okay. So this one due to diode D1, and this one say, I am saying this one is a V naught 1. So single diode problem, okay. So now next, now we have to do for the, by considering, we can write by considering diode D2. Now D1 is over, D2 only, okay. So we are saying this one is V output 2, okay. So the circuit for diode, okay, so the circuit, just forget about D1. I am saying this one is V2, this one is a D2 R, and this one is 4 volt, okay, minus plus minus Vi, okay. So this one is the problem. We have to similarly find the V02 output response, okay. So first what we have to do, we have to transition voltage, we have to calculate the transition voltage, okay. So for the transition voltage, what we can say, this I equals to 0, and this diode will become short circuited, short circuited. Okay, so when it is short circuited, then we have to apply the KVL in this loop. Okay, so we can write Vi plus 4 equals to 0. So Vi equals to minus 4. What is the transition voltage for such problem? Okay, I am doing a step by step. So next we are just making the Vi and T. Okay, and the transition voltage is now Vi equals to minus 4 volt. So now above this minus 4 volt, either diode on or off. Okay, so here we can say that if Vi is above this line, okay, that means Vi may be minus 3, minus 2, 1, 2, like that. Okay, above this line. So if you are giving the input above this line, so what should be the diode due to become off? Okay, this D2 become off, because if this one is 4 or something minus 2, so this one is more negative, so it is off, and below this one D2 will become on. If we are giving minus 5, so minus 5 volt, if D2 is on when we are giving minus 5 volt, so this one is more negative, so it is on. Okay, forward bias. So this one is simple arrangement. So when D2 on, so what should be the circuitry? Say V output 2 and this one is 4 volt. Okay, so output voltage when D2 on, V output 2 plus V output 2 plus 4 volt equals to 0. So V output 2 equals to minus 4 volt. Okay, V output minus 4 volt, and when D2 off, we can say V output 2 is same as that of V in, because in this case circuit will be like that, plus minus V output 2 plus minus V in R. So V output 2 equals to V in. So okay, so I am again drawing the VIT. Okay, so now D2 on, the output voltage will be 4 volt. When D2 on, below this line it should be 4 volt. So I am taking this one as a 4 volt. Okay, and above this one it follow the same response as that of. Okay, so this one is minus 4 volt line, and this one same the sinusoidal. So this output is due to the V output 2. Now in the earlier case I am drawing the other output, this one due to V output 2. Now due to V output 1, what should be the output response? Already I have plotted earlier. So in this case the output is somehow, okay, so this one is 8 volt. Okay, and this one is 4 volt. So the question is, in which part of sine wave it transmits? So it will transmit which part of sine wave? So this part of the sine wave it transmit, that is our 8 volt, and this one is our minus 4 volt. So above minus 4 volt and below 8 volt. Above minus 4 volt and below 8 volts. So this one is the sine wave that the double diode clipper circuit pass the result. Okay, the same thing, or here we can say this one is due to the D1, due to the output D1. Okay, And for the D2, what should be the output? Due to D2, okay, this type of thing, this one, okay, and this one due to V output 2, okay. So the common portion, so common portion will be the common portion of this output will be like that, okay. So which part of sine wave it will pass? This portion only, sine wave transmitted, okay. So in such question we have to solve step by step, and we can easily say which portion. So these are the option, so which portion that the curve will pass. So option will be transmit that part of sine wave which is above minus 4 volt and 8 volt. So you can, you have to find in such problem if two or three diodes, again you have to take the V output one. Still I am just focusing, take the V output one due to this diode, okay. Next one, we have to take the D2 to D2, we have to take the output individually step by step. Then we have to take the common output, so we have to take the intersection of the both, that will give the final output response. So in this case the output response is more or less, okay, more or less this one. This one is 8 volt and this one is minus 4 volt. So the output is like that. So it will pass this portion of the sine wave, that is above minus 4 volt and below 8 volt is the option, and it does not pass other options. So this one is the all about this question. So thank you for watching, and do a similar type of problem for more concepts. Okay, thank you.